Today, I'm at Scouters Mountain Nature Park to share some tips and tricks on how to identify and safely interact with poison oak. Poison oak often grows as leaves of three leaflets branching off of one main stem. The old adage, leaves of three leave it be, and longer middle stem don't touch them, can both be used to help identify poison oak out in nature. It can be easy to confuse with blackberry, so be sure that you're paying attention to the shape of the leaves as well as the color of the leaves. Poison oak, like poison ivy, produces an irritating oil called urushiol that is responsible for the rash, blisters, and burning sensation that can affect exposed skin. Making sure you cover up with long socks, pants, long sleeves, or gloves when interacting with or walking through an area where you think poison oak may be living can help protect you from getting that terrible rash. If you do ever get the urushiol on your skin, natural substances like witch hazel, jewelweed, and oats have all been shown to help neutralize that burning sensation it creates. Keeping something like calamine lotion in your first aid kit is also a great way to be prepared, just in case you ever run into this plant.